Hello there. Before you watch this video, I want to give you the background of this story of the video that you are going to watch. So over the weekend, I went to Portland for personal reasons. And when I go to places, I like to adventure. I like to be outside. I like to do more fun activities outside instead of just, like staying indoors the whole time. So I went to check out this waterfall, and since I had my drone, I wanted to film so that I can get content for like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Unfortunately, my drone crashed, and it's not that I didn't know how to use the drone because it's more like autopilot. So you can always choose the feature on how you want to film, and it will just go up, take the footage, and come back to you. So I did the same thing, but it got overwhelmed. You see, when you take a panoramic kind of picture view, so it was going around, and then it ended up hitting the branch because I was up like almost 200 feet. So it ended up hitting the tree, came down, and so me hiking down to come find it, it was showing me the location, but I couldn't find it. I kept looking. The waterfall was splashing a lot of wind, which is carrying like water. So it was so hard for me to find the drone. I decided to contact Hoover company, which makes this drone, so that I can see like which options that I have. I'm still in touch with them. I'm going to keep you guys updated about what they're going to tell me. So for now, I am really sad because I was looking forward to film some of my adventures. Most of the time I don't have anyone filming my videos, so I use this drone. Was going to be one of the best investment that I've ever made when it comes to filming, because it's a follow you drone. It you can just put it to follow you. You can take videos in many ways, and I was really excited to use it. So just watch the whole of this video, comment down, let me know what you think, let me know what like your experience with using Hoover 8X X1 Pro, or like the premium one. And if you have any recommendations of the drones that you have used, or like the ones that that have good features, especially like motion detection, because I think this one had an issue with you know kind of detecting that there's something which is close, and that's how my drone ended up crashing. Watch this video and let me know what you think. So I was up there. Hey guys, I just lost $1,000 drone on this waterfall. I'm going to show you. I'm under it trying to look for the drone, and I can't see anything. So that's $1,000 drone. Exactly what happened, man. Like, we landed a couple of more quick times. So guys, I came to Amani African restaurant. It's in Portland, Oregon. It's a Kenyan-owned restaurant. If you want to experience some Kenyan cuisines, it's really nice. I started with chai masala. So you can see extra hot, guys. I'm trying to add some honey to kind of make it sweeter. And if you want some ugali and also most of the Kenyan cuisines, come check it out. It's really, really good. Also, not just one meal, you will get a lot. Guys, I am driving home. I had a great time in Portland. I did so much. I wish I had my drone so that I can share my adventure with you guys. But I have been contacting the Hoverair company, so I hope that they will be able to give me a discount or facilitate so that I can get my drone back, because it wasn't really my mistake. I wanted to get a panoramic view of the waterfall, but my drone got overwhelmed with the winds, and that's how it ended up going down. So I have been owning this drone for 3 weeks now. I tried everything. I have been running with it and creating content. So it's not that it's something that is new to me, that I was trying to get used to it and taking it outside there. It's something that I feel like I had so much confidence. I mean, I had so much confidence to use it. So hopefully they will be able to get back to me, and so that we can talk and see how they will facilitate me getting another drone. Otherwise, for now, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. I am still working on creating content and making sure that I give you guys the best. For now, I'm logging out. AtitaFitness. Bye.